One more time.
Do a cartwheel. Do a somersault. Just land on your
Are you
feet.
tired?
No.
Remember, land on your feet.
Are we tired?
Are we tired?
My turn? What do you want me to do?
Something safe.
Yeah, something.
Like a cartwheel?
Yeah.
Wow.
Do your round off. Let's see what you do. 'Cause I remember, not that I'm going to learn now, but in my future life, maybe.
Yeah. Good job.
My turn.
Okay, your turn.
So this doesn't look like California very much.
Nope. We're not in California.
No. Where are we?
We're in Utah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Hi.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi.
What happened yesterday?
We traveled all day.
All night.
Yeah. Not all day. I still went to work in the morning.
Yeah, you did.
Crazy. Yep.
Somebody
Your
wouldn't let
turn,
go.
Daddy.
I know.
Your turn.
My turn?
Only if you're resting.
Demanding
Yep.
audience.
Now we're doing gymnastics for some reason.
We were doing unicycle.
Oh, yeah.
Sure that
We missed unicycle again.
Yeah,
Huh?
you missed it.
Darn.
My turn.
Okay, go.
Put your shirt down there. You're okay.
Anything else happen yesterday that was exciting?
We got pulled over twice on our way up here.
Yep. But we didn't get any tickets.
No tickets.
2 warnings.
Yep.
They were out of state. Totally
We're out of
unfair.
Yeah, we got one near Beaver and then one in American Fork.
American Fork.
Your
We're
turn,
lucky.
David.
It's very, very grateful.
Yes.
Don't think I'm taking this for granted.
Yeah.
David, your turn.
We've never had warnings before.
No, neither of us ever.
You guys have a long list of tickets.
Up here.
Just a minute, I'm taking a
We've
video.
never had a ticket
You need to slow down, pull back.
for a long time.
I need
You need to get up.
to
Ah.
Last trick.
Okay, here we go. We're going to land it this time, alright?
Okay.
Okay.
Almost.
That was really good.
Almost. All you had to do is
Yeah.
My turn.
Your turn.
make your momentum go back somehow. I don't know how you do that.
I just have to talk tighter.
Woohoo!
There you
Good
go.
job.
Last trick. Okay.
Let's do something
Grandma's
from
gonna do
Grandma.
one?
No. Grandma doesn't do that anymore.
Your turn, Kelly.
Anything else to say?
No.
Your turn.
My turn.
Okay. Here we go.
Oh.
Keep them right here.
I think we're done anyway.
Yeah.
Yep.
My turn.
Okay, let's see it. Good job.
Whoa.
Your turn, Kelly.
No, I think that's enough.
Okay.
Whoa.
Hey, Gracie, say something gymnastics-y.
Round off, backhand spring. Backhand spring. Back tuck. Back gainer. Something, I don't know.
Back gainer.
The guys at work always say they want to do a gainer.
Yeah, I don't think there's a back gainer.
No.
No.
Just one type of gainer.
Because a gainer is like a front to a back with a flip. It's a flip with a half twist, I believe. So.
Whoa. Yep. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're trying to trip me?
Okay.
Cool. Well.
Say goodbye, Gracie. Bye.
I just picked up her leg.
Yeah. You gonna say goodbye? Say goodbye to the camera.
Bye.
Say goodbye. Can you say goodbye? Good job.